Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Happy June. Wow, y'all, where has this year gone? It's been so crazy. I've been so busy though, and so I can see why it's just zooming by. Today I have a little quick and easy treat box. It's this little one right here. Isn't this adorable? I love this. This was back ordered. I'm not sure if it's back in stock. I think it said June 6th, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to check it. I'll try to check it before this goes live, and I'll put it somewhere in this box. It's been very popular, this stamp set. It's so stinking adorable, though. This says Happy Birthday. So the stamp set I'm using is this Sweet Peas, but look at how adorable. Look at this Hello Grumpy and the little Grumpy one. Isn't that so cute? Here's another one for birthday. This one has the birthday hat. It's got Welcome Sweet Pea. I thought that'd be super adorable too for like a baby shower. But you could even make these for a baby shower. It holds 4 Ghirardelli, but you can put other candies in it as well. It's pretty big. I'm calling it a wallet box because I made it kind of like a wallet. So you'll just untie this right here, and then it just opens like that. And I did mat this inside. I was going to put the little pea here, and I forgot about it. But this holds 4 Ghirardellis. I think it will hold a lot of other candies as well. It's a pretty good size there. So this is what I'm sharing today. I'm going to make it in Berry Burst today because you know I like to show you different colors. And so this one is Lemon Lime Twist. And yeah, so isn't it so cute? We're going to still color the peas the same way, and I am using my Ohuhu markers today, but you can use your blends. We have the Lemon Lime Twist in the blends, but you know me, I wanted to change it up and use some darker too, which you can use the Old Olive, I guess, on the outside probably would work. But yeah, and I cut out these little pieces with my brother's Scan and Cut, but you can fussy cut them if you want. This piece I just fussy cut, which I'm going to do today. I forgot to stamp this and run it through when I ran through these other pieces on my brother's Scan and Cut, so I'm just going to fussy cut that one. All right, so this is what I'm sharing today. So for this, I showed you the stamp set already. You're going to need a piece of 11 by 6, and this is Berry Burst this time. I am also using the Brights collection in our 6x6 designer series paper. It comes in all our Brights colors, and again, Berry Burst. Also for the circle, I'm using the Stylish Shapes. I use the second largest one, so I already cut that out of basic white. And then the matting pieces are 4 7/8 by 3 3/8, and 3 3/8 by 3/8 are these two right here, and then this one's 4 7/8 by 1 7/8, and that's for the inside piece. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please share with your friends because all those things really help my channel. And it's so funny because I watch other people go through the same thing, and they're like, it really helps our channel. Every time you give it a thumbs up, the algorithm shows that people are watching it and they like them. So then they put it out more. The algorithm is very strange in YouTube. But yeah, so that's why we all say the same thing. All right, so first thing we're going to do, let's just stamp and color because we want to get this all stamped and colored first. All right, we're using our photopolymers, so I'm using the little Stampin' Up mat, and this is really, really necessary when you use the photopolymer. It stamps so much better. If you don't have one, they're really cheap actually, but always put something, just like the rubber stamps have that automatic cushion, it has that cushioning behind it. That's what this does, and it really, really helps to get a really clean, crisp stamp. And then we're going to stamp one of these larger ones, and we're going to stamp 2 of the smaller leaves. And we're going to stamp on this one, we're going to stamp the happy birthday. And just put that on the side there, just like that. All right, I think that's all our stamping. Let's get coloring. And by the magic of video, I already, like I said, cut out these pieces here. So I'm going to color these instead of the ones that I just stamped. And I will probably run those through my Brother Scan and Cut, and I'll have 3 more that I can use. All right, so I know a few of you have gotten these Ohuhu markers, and thank you for using my link. I do get a tiny, I'm saying tiny, commission when you do that. We're going to use, for this one, I'm going to tell you what I'm using in case you have these. So it's the G060, GY4, R6, RB070, and R20. And the R20 is for the little cheeks, but we're going to start coloring these. All right, let me go ahead and zoom in, and hopefully I won't forget to zoom you back out like I always do. All right, so I told you there's midtones, so I'm using some of the midtones. Now I always check on this one. This one is one of the midtones, and it's a lighter shade. It's kind of between some shades. That's why they call them midtones. But on most of the Ohuhu, the large one I got, the one with the little gray side is the brush tip. So we are going to color first. I think this was the darker one, right? No, this is the lighter. I want to use the darker one first. Yeah, that's why I always test it first to make sure I have the right one. So we're going to color the outside, the pod, in the darker. Kind of go around the edges so it's a little bit darker around the edges. And then we're going to do this stem the same color. All right, and then we're going to color our little peas. And these are the lighter color. They're so stinking cute, y'all. Oh my gosh, these little peas. I didn't think this one was going to be that popular, but yeah, it's really was popular. And then I'm going to take this again, and I'm going to go over it a little bit to make it a little bit darker. The more layers you put on, it'll get darker. So I love these Ohuhu markers too. All right, I'm going to use this little pink one, and we're just going to dab some little dots for their cheeks. And then for the hat, we're just going to stripe this hat. And then we're going to use this one. Oh, wrong side. I kind of wish the midtones had the same, like the brush on the same end with the gray, because I always have to recheck that. All right, let's color these leaves. So this is going to be the darker one. So I'm just like using some brush strokes here. We're going to do the little ones as well. These are so cute. And then we're going to do the lighter on the top here. All right, so, oops, didn't do the big one. Something's on my tip there. All right, so that's going to be it for the coloring. Super quick and easy. Let me zoom you back out so I don't forget. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fussy cut this. I'm going to speed through this so that you don't have to sit and wait and watch me fussy cut it. It's really easy cutting though. Okay, y'all, I have everything cut out. Boy, y'all, you know that if you don't have a Brother Scan and Cut, you are missing out. I've had a few people ask me here lately where I got mine, and it is linked in the description below. So, yeah, you're missing out because if I did this on the Scan and Cut, it would be done in a minute. So, okay, let's get this ready, and then we will go ahead and finish everything up. So let's use some dimensionals here. And I'm going to put one kind of hanging out here. And then one's going to go on top here. And then another one on the bottom. And then I'm going to add our little peas here. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I know I'm going to use this a ton. Especially if there is a baby shower. Oh my goodness, I need to move that one. I should have waited to put the middle one on, this bigger one, because it's easier. I want it hanging over a little bit, out a little bit, like that. All right, so we have it all ready to go. Let's go ahead and get this box made. So we are going to score, and I am going to score on the 11-inch side at 5, 5.5, and 10.5. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 2 and 2.5. Believe it, that's it, y'all. All right, so we are going to cut this. I am going to cut off these two pieces here and save these pieces. These are definitely big enough to cut, use your dies and cut flowers or anything like that out, or use on another project. It's a big piece. All right, and then we're going to cut down here. Wait a minute, we're cutting this way. I forgot what I was doing here. We're cutting sideways this time. And I really like using my snips for this because the area is small. So I'm going to cut there. And then we're going to do the same on this side. It goes together super easy. Just like that. Grab my bone folder here, and we are going to sharpen these all. Okay, now we're ready to put it together. I am going to go ahead and use my tear and tape for this part because I want this to stay together. Okay, so we are going to add, this is going to fold up like this. And so, yes, I need to put tear and tape right here. I had to remind myself of where I had it because I can remember for a minute. Sometimes I make the boxes ahead of time and then I forget exactly how I did it. But that is how it goes. And I need my little paper piercer so I can get the backings off here. And we are going to tuck your little piece in here and then lift this, and this is going to attach here. And then this one, get that off. This one will attach here. So there you go. Isn't it easy? All right, let's mat it. So I'm going to use my wet glue to mat. We'll mat the inside piece first. I'm using a different pattern, by the way, on this one. Same paper stack, just the different pattern. I just like to show you different ways and different patterns, how you can get different looks. This is for the side. And then this one is for the other side. And then this one is for the front. You can actually do the ribbon a couple ways. Why is this not coming? Is this emptying out on me? I've actually had this for quite a while. Let me see if... Yeah, there we go. Just hit a little clog. I think when I lifted this out of the holder, I noticed I didn't have it all the way down. You have to make sure it's all the way down so it doesn't clog up. This one goes on here, like that. Now you can do the ribbon a couple ways if you want. I think this is the easiest way. You can put it underneath here, but I like the ribbon showing, so I'm just wrapping it around here. By the way, this is a duo pack. It's the Petal Pink and White 1/4 inch diagonal trim ribbon. It's really pretty. It ties. Oh, you know what? I'm going to see if these York peppermint patties fit. Yes. You could probably fit 4 of these, and these were part of the Dollar Tree as well. I don't know, maybe 2. Let's see, can we fit them this way? 2 this way. These are a little bit thicker, so I think only 2 of these will work because they're thicker. But we're going to put those in there. But it will fit 4 of the Ghirardelli. And you could probably fit, I think, like a Kit Kat in here. You know, the Kit Kats are square, a thing of gum. Anything like that will fit. So let me get this bow tied. This ribbon's so pretty. And I love how white it is. It's like really white. Fix that. Okay, and then we're ready to put our little guy on here on the top. So I am going to use some more dimensionals on here. And we're going to pop that up. It really is cute on the very burst. His hat matches. There you go. Isn't he cute? Oh my gosh, y'all. You can't tell me these little peas are not so stinking adorable. Keep watching if they are on back order. Keep watching because they will come back. But here you go. Aren't they cute? I hope you like it, and it's a little bit unique. I love that it's like a wallet box. So yeah, that's it. If you need any supplies, I have a new host code for June. And yeah, I hope you all have a blessed day. I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.